Hey guys, Ashley Youngblood here at Midstate RV in beautiful Byron, Georgia. And guess what, guys? It's an absolutely gorgeous day. So 2020 has been a year, but it is the year of the RV. Social distancing, you want to take your family somewhere that's safe and you don't want to be around a whole bunch of people that you don't know. Well, guess what? The year of the RV, it's perfect. Guys, we are limited on inventory. Like I said, I mean, everybody is camping. A bunch of people are getting into it that have never gotten into it before. And when I started here, the biggest thing to me was how affordable camping is. It's really more like buying a house than it is buying a car. So it's extremely affordable. Guys, this is the Georgetown, and it is super luxurious, super luxurious. So it sleeps 6. It does have the 6.8 engine. This is electronic and comes down as a bed right here. You can sleep people right here, but guys, look at this residential size refrigerator. And I mean, you can literally, Thanksgiving's coming up, you could cook Thanksgiving dinner in here for your family and be extremely comfortable. And mama, after you do Thanksgiving dinner, because you've put in all the work, you can sit right over here and turn your massager on, turn your heat, your fireplace is right here, your TV's right here. Put the kids outside, and hey, 2020 is starting to look up again, huh? So guys, this one, like I said, it sleeps 6. So you have a king size bed in here. Before we get to the bedroom, you will have a half bath. Now the half bath allows so that you don't have to let your company into the back, your personal area, so to speak. But you do have a full size bathroom in your bedroom. So you've got your king size bed, your TV, and the bathroom, guys, as you can see, is pretty phenomenal for a camper. I am 5'3", and I have plenty of room. So for you tall guys, your head's not going to be in the skylight. I know that that's uncomfortable. Plus the nozzle's way up here, so you're not going to be like, eh. It's really much better than what you would think. I've just been really impressed with this unit. Really impressed. Now we'll go kind of look at the outside. It does have 2 slides, and it's just, guys, it's priced at like $130,000. It's super affordable to get into. So the outside is beautiful. This has the full body paint, not just the graphics. And as I mentioned before, you have the 2 slide. Now this one is locked, but this one has a TV in here. You usually get one or the other. You usually get an outside kitchen or a TV. This one has the TV. You can walk. It is a fully walkable roof. And then these are just more storage.